first chord played in the right hand, A flat, D flat, F, or that's an inverted D flat major. Second chord, A flat, C, E flat, or you can make it an F minor 7th, it's up to you. Third chord, D flat major 7th, inverted, A flat, C, D flat, F. After that, D flat, E flat, back to this chord here, A flat, D flat, F, add a G sharp, then play this chord here, arpeggio, A, D flat, E flat, G flat, to this chord here, A flat, B flat, D flat, and F. You can play staccato from the top. Left hand is pretty straightforward. D flat, F, B flat. Second time around, D flat, A flat, B flat. And on the octave D flats after that. Then repeat. You can also play it as D flat, A flat, D flat.